As part of my Good Life project, I'm practicing Japanese Shinrin-yoku, which literally means forest bathing. Shinrin is forest, yoku is bath. It's just spending time absorbing nature and spending time outdoors. So today I'm practicing Shinrin-yoku in a bamboo forest, which is really lovely. I've just been sitting here enjoying the wind and the sound of the bamboo bumping together. It's musical. It's just such a calm, peaceful, quiet atmosphere, and it smells so good. I wish I could put the smell in this video because it smells so good and so fresh and just earthy and delicious.